Hi friends, welcome to the channel Unshackling Sudoku and Puzzles. Myself Ashish, and today I'll be covering a puzzle genre called Statue Park Puzzle. This puzzle was constructed by Murat Cantonta and it was featured on GM Puzzles website. On GM Puzzles website, most of the puzzles, all of the puzzles I would say has great themes, excellent solve paths, and it's one of the best website for Sudoku and puzzles if you are looking for some good quality puzzles. So Murat is one of the excellent authors of the world, and his puzzles will really have amazing themes and excellent solve paths too. So I would really suggest you to check out his puzzles on GM Puzzles website and many other authors' puzzles too. So coming on to the puzzle, according to the rules, we have to place 12 pentominos. As you can see the 12 pentomino shapes below the rules. I've even marked the names of I mean to say the alphabets indicating the each pentomino. So there are exactly 12 pentominos of 5 cell each, and we have to place those 12 pentominos into the grid indicated by the black circles, right? So the pentominos have to be of black circles, right? No two pentominos can touch each other orthogonally. So for example, if I have a pentomino this way, a Z pentomino, then you cannot have a pentomino, for example, a T pentomino here. So it is touching each other. It can touch diagonally, but not orthogonally, right? And all the white circles, so all the cells which are not part of the pentomino, all the white circles in other words will have to be connected to each other in the whole grid, right? So for example, if I say this cannot be a white circle, right, so because it is stranded, so it means it has to be a black circle, which means it has to be a part of the pentomino. So that's all with the rules, and with the rules we will be starting the puzzle. Today we will be seeing all the tips and tricks to solve this statue park puzzle easily. This is one of the toughest puzzle, and let us see if it is very enjoyable. If you see the theme here, right, exactly like a star or maybe a the theme on the GM puzzles for this puzzle was a black hole, right? So if you see, that's excellent theme here. No other black circles anywhere except this themed one. So I would say it is an excellent theme in a statue park puzzle, right? And as we know, this has to be a black circle. So I'll be marking black circles with a gray cell and white circles with a green cell, right? So it would be easy for us to notate the pentominos, right? So we have already formed an X shaped pentomino here. We'll mark that here, right? And so there are exactly 12 pentominos, right? We have to place all in this grid in such a way that they don't touch each other orthogonally, and all white cells are part of the connected areas. I mean to say all white circles are connected to each other in the whole grid. And so sometimes you have to look out for what pentomino exactly, what particular pentomino will go to which place, right? So in this case, that pentomino is a I-shaped pentomino, right? If you see this I-shaped pentomino, whole 5 black circles in a single line horizontally or vertically, right? And that I-shaped pentomino, can you just have a look and say where will the I-shaped pentomino go into this grid, right? So you cannot form an I-shaped pentomino with these circles. You have only 4 circles in a line at max, right? And or any of these cells cannot form an I-shaped pentomino because it will touch the other circle and the shape will change, right? It will have a different shape. So where can you place the I-shaped pentomino? Of course, with the given circles, there are exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 bunch of circles, right, givens, and those 8 bunch of circles will never form an I pentomino. So these black circles which are already given cannot form an I pentomino, right? Is it possible? I don't think so, because if you see this cell not touching any of these cells will have to form an I pentomino this way, and you have only 3 cells remaining, right? Same way this cell, or maybe you have only 4 cells in uh, any of the directions. So there is only exactly one place to form an I-shaped pentomino, right? So you have 5 cells here, but you cannot form an I shape pentomino here. Then these black cells will touch the I shape, right? So that is not possible. There is exactly one place where an I shape pentomino will go. Excellent, right? So how the white circles have been placed in such a way that you form an I shape pentomino at the start of the grid. Excellent, I would say. So which means that all this will be white circles, right? Because the pentominos cannot touch each other even orthogonally. It can touch diagonally but not orthogonally. So all the orthogonal cells of the complete formed pentomino will have to be white cells, right? And these are already touching, so we can mark this way, right? We can mark this way. And now we know that this is a single pentomino. This will be the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, right? 7, 8, 9, 10, which means 2 more pentominos will come, and it can be even in such a way that out of these 3 cells, 2 cells will be of one pentomino and 1 cell will be of the other pentomino. We're not sure of it, right? But usually in a statue park puzzle, you'll have to make sure, and you'll have to remember the shapes in such a way that you'll have to know that how the black circles will form the shape. You'll have to keep the shapes in mind while solving a statue park puzzle. Now why would I say that is, there is a great logic here. Let us assume, I will just say, let us assume this both are white circles, and this pentomino, I mean to say this black circle will form a different pentomino and these two will form a different pentomino. Is it possible for this black circle to form a different pentomino? I don't think so it is possible, because then it will touch the one of these pentominos and form a bunch of black circles more than 5 cells, right? Which means that this black circle will touch this black circle, and of course this black circle will have to either go this way or this way and have to touch this black circle, right? Which means that these 3 cells are part of a single pentomino, right? These 3 circles are part of a single pentomino. It has to be possible, it has to be that way only, because this black circle cannot form a different pentomino with the 5 black circles with its own shape, right? It is not possible. Same way, if you see this black circle, it can go one cell up, but it will again have to touch this black circle at least, right? It has to touch. And same way as we have seen, this black circle is possible in all the 4 ways, all the 4 directions, I mean to say all the 4 possible areas. It has to touch this black circle for sure. So these 2 black circles will have to touch each other, because this the black circle towards the center, there are these 4 black circles towards the center, cannot form a different pentomino on its own. It will have to touch this black circle and form a pentomino, right? So I'll just mark that. Maybe I'll mark that with the line here, right? This is a better way to notate, I would say, right? For the diagonals one, for the diagonal ones, this is the better way to notate. And then again we'll go to the shading thing. Now if you see, the most important thing here is you need to know about the shapes and how they are placed, how they are used in the pentominos, how they are used in the statue park puzzle. Now we know that this black circle will also form, will have to form with this pentomino, I mean to say will have to touch this pentomino, right? Now we have got how many pentominos? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, right? We need 2 more pentominos, and we are not sure that if this black circle will touch this black circles or not. This can even form a different pentomino, or this will even touch this, right? But I would say one thing is, the most important thing in this puzzle, I would say, is getting to know about the pentomino shapes. There are exactly 2 pentominos only out of these 12 which uses 3 black circles diagonally, right? So if there are 3 black circles in a diagonal way, right, then there are only exactly 2 pentominos which can have that shape, right? F doesn't have a shape, doesn't have that shape, right? F is not possible, right? You have an F and you cannot have three diagonally black circles ever in an F shape. Second is the I, which is already done and it is not possible. Third is the L, again not possible. I'll just mark here, right? You cannot have three black circles diagonally in an F, right? Next is the N, again not possible. No three black circles diagonally. Next is the P. No, it doesn't have that also. You don't have a three black circles diagonally ever in a P. Next is T again. This is a T and it is not possible. You have only two black circles diagonally. Next is U. Again not possible. You have only two black circles diagonally. Next is V. Not possible. Only you have two black circles, in middle you have a white circle. Next is W. This is the one shape that has this I mean to say instance. Next is the X, is we have already done. Next is Y, again not possible. The last is the Z, right, which has three black circles diagonally. That means excellent, I would say tremendous logic. What a logic this puzzle has. So both of these shapes, which are three black circles forming a single pentomino, will have to be a W and a Z. So I am marking that with the blue color because we know that where they are used, either here or here, but we are not sure which black circle will form which pentomino. The moment we get to know that, we'll shade this with the black one, right? So what an excellent puzzle this is, right? What an excellent solve path, I would say. So which means that W and Z are already done in one of these two places. We are not sure which one, right? So we'll do that is, wherever this Z or W go, however way, I am not sure where it will go, but if it even goes this way, these two circles, these two cells will have to be white again, and these two cells will have to be white, right? Even this cell, right? So we are not sure where will this go. And now because of this logic, we got to know that this black circle will not be part of this black circle, because again you will form a three diagonal circles which doesn't have any shape. Any shape cannot resemble these three diagonal circles except the W and Z, which are already fulfilled in these two places, which means that this black circle will be part of a different pentomino. Same way this black circle, right? Sorry. What an excellent puzzle this is. Excellent, I would say. So now this black circle will have to go this way and form a pentomino. Same way this black circle, right? And this will have to be a black circle again, because if this is white, it will again form a W, which is not possible, which we have already formed here, which means that this has to be a black, and it cannot be a Z as well because Z is also done. W and Z are already done. Same way this cannot be a white circle because it will form a W. This has to be a black. This cannot touch here. This cannot touch here as well because it will form a Z, right? And this white circle has to come out this way. And okay, so we are done with this. And so anything else here? Okay, so this much is done. So we got the 12 pentominos already. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Excellent. We have found the 12 pentominos, which means that we can eliminate the cells, right? We can eliminate the cells which are not part of the pentominos, which no pentomino can reach to those cells. If you see this white cells, no pentomino can come here because we have already formed the 12 pentominos in the different areas, and no pentomino can reach this area. Same way, no pentomino can reach these two cells, and same way these cells, no pentomino can reach these cells and these cells, I would say, right? No pentominos can reach these cells. I would say even these two cells, a pentomino can reach here or here, right? And let us see if we can solve anything else. We can get anything else here. And okay, Okay, excellent logic here. One more logic. Where can a V pentomino come? Now we already know that there are 12 pentominos and we have already marked a few part of each of the pentominos, right? A few cells of each of the pentominos. Now, can we find where will the V pentomino come? There is exactly and only one place that a V pentomino can come. We know that a V pentomino cannot be these two cells, right? It cannot be these two pentominos as well. It cannot be these also, because you don't have enough space for the V to be done, right? These two places or these two places, right? No V's. Same way, these two cells or these two cells, it cannot form a V. A V have to be formed here, but either this way for this pentomino or this way, and both the ways it is touching this, and neither this way, neither this way, because it will touch the pentomino, and not this way, neither of this way, because it will again touch these pentominos. And the only pentomino, only black cell that will take the V pentomino is this. Excellent, I would say again. So, right, and this is also not part, and this white cell will have to come here, so which means this has to be the pentomino. So we have already formed the V and U, right? We have already done the V and U pentomino. Can you have this cell as a white cell? Is it possible? No, because what happens is, now this pentomino will have only one shape to go and will be stranded. This white cell will be stranded, right? Which means that this has to be a pentomino cell, right? And this will be a white cell now. And again, this will have to be a pentomino cell, because if it is a white cell, then you have exactly only 5 places the pentomino can be formed, and which is this, which will stranded this white cell again, right? So which means that this has to be a pentomino cell. And now this, because of this U, we cannot form this as U, and this has to be F. F is also done. Excellent, right? And now this white area has to come out this way. Again, this white area has to come out this way, right? And which means that this pentomino will have to be either it has many cases. I'm not sure what will this pentomino be, but okay. Excellent logic again, guys. Excellent logic. I'm loving this puzzle. What an excellent puzzle this is. So I would say is, which black cell will take the N pentomino now? There is exactly one black cell, one bunch of black cells which will take the N pentomino. N pentomino cannot be taken by these two bunch, neither by this cell, neither, because we know that these two are either Z or W, and this will also not possible. We need 5 cells for the N pentomino in the direction, which is not possible. And the only bunch of cell forming an N pentomino is this, either this way or this way, which means that all of these cells are white. This cell is also white, and it will go this way or this way, right? Not sure which way. And now we know that this is the N pentomino, right? And I is already done, so we can mark the I here. And now we know we need the L, P, T and Y, right? N is this. We need the L, P, T and Y. Now we know that this is the N pentomino, which can be the T pentomino. No. Let us not go for the T pentomino. Before that, we'll need to go for the L1. Which pentominos, which bunch of cells can take the L pentomino, right? There is exactly one pentomino only, L, and which is this one, right? This will have to be the L pentomino, either this way or this way, which means all of these cells will be white. Now we know that we have done the L pentomino also. This has to be the L pentomino. Now let us see the T pentominos, which will be taken by the T1. Now it has only 3 pentominos remaining, 1, 2 and 3. T cannot be taken by any of these, because no way the T will be formed, right? you'll have this, no way the T can be formed. If you have this, no way the T. If you have this, no, and if you have this, no as well. Same way, you have exactly 3 cells and 2 of will be shaded, and you cannot form a T of those, any of these 2 cells, which means the T pentomino will have to be this cell only. Excellent. Now we got this as the W, it cannot be the Z, which means this has to be the L this way and this has to be the Z this way. What an excellent puzzle, guys, what an excellent puzzle. This has to be the N, we did the L, we did the W, we did the Z, and we did the T as well, right? And now it's just about placing the Y, N and P pentominos, and Y has only one way to do. We know that this is the N and one of these two will be the P and the T, and P and the Y, and Y need to have 4 cells in a straight line, right? One of the place where Y will have to be 4 cells in a straight line, will have to be black circles, and it cannot be this, which means it has to be this. It has done the Y and it has to be the P. This white circle will come out this way and this is the P now, which means that if you see now, if we have the N here, the bunch of white circles will be stranded here, not connecting to any of the white circles, which means that this has to be this way. And we have done the N, P and Y. What an excellent puzzle this was, guys. Excellent puzzle, I would say. This is one of the best statue bar puzzle I would solve. What a great theme. The theme was the black hole theme. If you see the theme has 3 white circles in each direction, indicating the middle hole. Excellent solve, excellent theme. I really love the puzzles by Murat. He is an excellent author. So I would really suggest you to check out the ZM Puzzle website, where it has excellent puzzles by Murat, by Thomas Snyder, by Sarkhan. Many great authors, excellent authors have published their puzzles there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something about the Statue Park puzzle from this video. So do not forget to like and comment if you want us to solve any other Sudoku variant or a puzzle genre, and of course don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.